this opportunity. Shout out to my founder, EJ Agency lang sa Kalam. Thank you so much for giving me such an opportunity to join in these competitions. It's really giving me an inspiration with this journey. I just want to show everyone, all the members, or all the EJ Angels, and all who's coming in right now in Popo World, that age doesn't matter. As long as it's your passion, I just want to show you the moves. So I'm going to be turning 55 years old in the coming days. So it's not about age, but it's about your heart. As soon as I heard this EJ cover songs, it really hits me hard to choreograph. And every day I was like giving a lot of ideas, and I was thinking of my younger age. But now I don't have the body because I'm getting too much weight. But I think I still have the move. So forgive me for my slow moving right now, because I cannot compete with the younger generations, but I can still show you the passion. I can still give you the God's given me strength to show you how to give praise and worship Him with the talent that He has been given to me. So I'm your EJ Mamu, custodian, admin 4156349, drinking water, 4 minutes dancing. Thank you to all my supporters, to all who loves me, sa mga anak-anakan ko dyan. This EJ vibes is really a dance that comes from my heart. Okay, this EJ. Okay, if you will see my steps that I will do this, it means a lot. Every word in that lyrics, it's coming from my heart. I just want to show it to you all. Okay, so here we go. All right, let's check it out. And then, okay, everything. All right, kita naman po. Okay, all right, okay. Let's hit it on.
Sa bawat galaw may kwento at sigla, sa bawat ngiti may bagong pag-asa. EJ ang ilaw sa gabi ng duda, hatid ay saya, di lang basta-basta. Sa bawat post may kilig at kulay, sa bawat stage may tapang na tunay. Kahit saan dala ang liwanag, EJ ang vibe na laging panalo pastig. Walang kapantay ang lakas ng dating, kahit anong hamon kayang harapin. Sama-sama, sabay-sabay, tayo'y aangat. EJ ang gabay, EJ ang vibe, sumasayaw ang nabibigit ng saya. Di mapapapawi kung inang sa bawat eksena, tunay na talento, walang kapareha. EJ ang vibe, sa puso'y sumisiklab, kahit saan dala ang pangarap. Sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat galaw, EJ ang bituin na laging sumisigaw. Good vibes lang, tara na't sumayaw. May ritmo ng disco, may kislap ng ilaw, sa bawat talento, EJ ang sigaw. Confidence level, lampas sa taas, kahit saan, EJ ang alas. Sa TikTok, sa stage, o kahit saan, laging trending, laging asahan. Bawat galaw, may swag at galing, EJ ang agency na kay sarap mahalin. Walang kapantay ang lakas ng dating, kahit anong hamon kayang harapin. Sama-sama, sabay-sabay, tayo'y aangat. EJ ang gabay, EJ ang vibe, sumasayaw ang nabibigit ng saya. Di mapapapawi kung ikinang sa bawat eksena, tunay na talento, walang kapareha. EJ ang vibe sa puso'y sumisigla. Kahit saan, dalang pangarap sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat galaw. EJ ang between na laging sumisigaw. Good vibes lang, tara na sumayaw. Kumikislap, umiikot ang mundo, ngunit sa EJ laging panalo. Hawak ang pangarap, taas ang noo, sama-sama tayo ang bagong kwento. EJ ang vibe, sumasayo ang pag-ibig ng saya. Ay mapapapali, kumikilang sa bawat eksena. Tunay na talento, walang kapareha. EJ ang vibe, sa puso'y sumisigla. Kahit saan, dalang pangarap sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat galaw. EJ ang between na laging sumisigaw. Good vibes lang, tara na't sumayaw. EJ ang vibe sa puso'y buhay. Good vibes lang, walang kapantay.
Thank you. Woo! Thank you so much.
Madam, Madam, open na RC? Open na RC? Mamaya na?
Guys, thank you so much for everything. Thank you po sa mga nag-support sa akin. From the beginning po sa voting, FB like, YouTube, at sa mga taong naniwala po sa akin. Thank you so much po. At saka sa mga nagboto, sa founder po natin na palagi pong nagbibigay na encouragement sa bawat isa to join. I just wanna share to you na hindi po ito para po tayo mag-grow lahat. So, she's really giving everyone a chance for us to grow, for us to share everything po na i-enjoy natin. Whether instant family, instant friends, instant everything po na sa panahon ngayon ay really hard to find. But the most important thing is that we are offering in this agency po the relationship to our God Savior. Yung po pinaka-importante, the gift, the talents and all, the coins, the earnings, ano na lang po yan, secondary na lang po. But this agency po, isa lang po ang main goal for us to receive and have relationship to our one and only Creator. So thank you everyone for the support, your support and love for my birthday gift. #Dance to Win. Thank you so much. Vote for, and to all my contenders, kung ano man po maging resulta nito, congratulations to everyone. We really did a good job. And kung sino man yung mapili at kung sino yung manalo, I'm willing to share my steps and we will improve it just for our EJ family. That's the purpose. I am willing to share the steps and develop it because I admit myself that I cannot dance the way Jungkook dance, the way this Gen Z moves. So, yes, I'm always here to support as an admin. So, God bless everyone. Love you all, EJ Angels. Mga supporters ko dyan, hindi nababasa ni Mamo. Ayan. Thank you so much. Dance to Win. Birthday gifts. Yan. Thank you so much. God bless everybody. Alam ni Lord kung sino kayong mga nandyan. Ang special shout out to my sisterets. To my, and thank you po sa mga judges po. Thank you so much for the chance po na nag-yes po kayo to be a judge is really a big thanks po sa amin po. Na you've been part of our journey po dito here in EJ Agency, especially the one from Bahrain. It's really hard, no, for the time and all. We know that you guys are busy. So thank you so much po, Ma'am Bebedal, and to your loving husband po. We heard a lot of good news, good things about you because of our founder. Yes. Sige, bagsak nyo na dyan yung birthday cake ko. Okay lang, itatanggapin ko na yan. Charot.